Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to sign into your GoWish account. Now, if you want to sign into your GoWish account but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to make sure is that you have already connected your device to Wi-Fi or any kind of data. So if you have not connected your device to Wi-Fi or any kind of data, then make sure to connect it from the very top right hand side on your iPhone. For Android, you just simply swipe from the very top. So after that, you just need to open the GoWish app on a device. So this is the landing page where you'll see the option of ID pin, and you just need to select the country or region from where you are, and you just need to click on the option of save. And here you'll see the option of sign up or login. So click on the option of login, and remember whatever signed up with. So if you have signed up with Facebook, Google, or Apple, you'll see the option like this. So click on the option which you have signed up with. So click on the option of sign in. So after entering the password for your Apple account or verifying your Face ID, you will be able to log into your GoWish account. So that's it. That's how you can sign into your GoWish. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.